Oh shit, that's so top heavy. No, no, no.
Getting off this is the problem.
I just want to see that branch break and like you fall to your ass.
Hello, hello guys. Welcome to the video. Got to swing back around now. This video we're going to be discussing 10 ways on how you can take better moody images.
5 ways.
5 ways. If I was doing the video, I'd be only able to give you 1 way.
Go on.
Don't buy a lens that's f3.5 to 5.6.
Your kit lens.
Yeah. Just don't buy that lens and you're good. Literally any other lens, you're good. Don't be like me. Oh, you know, I could do a good story time on my channel. I showed up to a photo shoot and the girl said, I have a shit lens. And then we shot for 2 hours. Then she never used any pictures because it was a shit lens and the pictures I took were shit. Sometimes life's hard, kids. Shit stuff, bro. Okay, I'll let Midge take over and do the video.
Is to utilize lenses differently. So aside from using just a different focal length from a 55 or 50mm or 35 that people would typically do, we're going to be utilizing 100mm. And 100mm is typically thought of for macro, but that's where I'm going with this. You can still get great portrait shots on a 24, 100, 7200, whatever, and still get a wide shot on 100mm or a close-up on a 25. And when you do all of that by combining all of those elements, that's when you start to increase mood and tone. And by not utilizing a 50 or 35, or going outside those parameters anyway, now your photographs also look different from everyone else's. So it's a way of standing out on top of that. It's to come to a location that is moody or does have a vibe to it. So you know whenever you see these like amazing travel films and advertisements like that, the reason it looks so good or it gives you that kind of feeling that you get whatever you're watching it is because they're in that location. So in a similar sense, all your photography, everything like that also follows suit. So tip number 2 is just come to a location that has the vibe you're looking for. Because once you do that, all of the scenery is exactly what you need it to be anyway. Tip number 3 is something that I've been doing the entire video thus far, and it's very simple. It's to take wide, mediums, and close-ups, and maybe if you're lucky as well, a few detailed shots of the scene so that when you put these photographs side by side, it tells a complete story and the mood is going to come from the story. So tip number 4 is actually going to be one of the easiest tips. We're going to take our camera and go into the highest frame rate we possibly can in stills mode. And the reason we're going to do this is because we are going to be shooting a continuous shot. So Ben is actually going to be walking, and instead of me just getting a posed shot of him walking, I'm going to actually ask him to walk, and I'm going to put 2 side-by-sides on the screen to show you the difference between getting a burst and something being captured mid-moment as opposed to getting something that's posed. So the final tip I have for you today is actually very simple. You're going to be utilizing the environment you're in terms of the foreground and background elements so that the people seeing the photograph can feel like they're part of the scene. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean with the next set of photographs with Ben. But during the entire time I've been filming this, that's what I've been doing, is I've been deliberately shooting through things and composing using out of focus elements in the foreground and background to make you feel like you're actually here and to have that vibe that we're going for. And thus, again, all of this is just helping you push your image to a moody place. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video itself. I hope you like and subscribe. And I hope you go away and take some of this stuff that I'm teaching and use it to further your videos and further your shots and become a better creative because of it, or at the very least, just expand and give you a bit of curiosity creatively, because it's something that I get asked a lot is how do I put tone into my photographs? How do I put mood into them? And everything that I've taught you thus far is exactly how I do it. So with that being said, that's the end of the video. And yeah, like and subscribe and stuff. Be great.
Yay!
Yay!
Yay.